Hi guys, I'm Argyll Agassiz SENDON, and I'm here to talk about the 6 trigonometric functions of quadrantal angles. But first, what are quadrantal angles? These are angles in standard position whose terminal side lies on x or y axis. Examples of these quadrantal angles are 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, 360 degrees, and so on and so forth. With that in mind, let's now proceed to our main topic, trigonometric functions of quadrantal angles. The trigonometric functions of quadrantal angles are sine theta, which is equal to y, cos theta, which is equal to x, tan theta, which is equal to y over x. The reciprocals cosecant theta, which is equal to 1 over y, secant theta, which is equal to 1 over x, and cotangent theta, which is equal to x over y. Sin theta is equal to y and cosine theta is equal to x, then we can say that the point xy is equal to cosine theta sine theta. With this, we can now determine the coordinate of the points in the positive and negative x-axis and positive negative y-axis. Let us now determine the points in the positive and negative x and y-axis. But first, you should know the location of the angle in the graph. In this is 0 degrees. This is 90 degrees. This is 180 degrees. This is 270 degrees. Am I right? Will continue to 360, 450, and so on and so forth. Next is using this formula, you should put in this angle in the theta. So cos theta, or cos 0 degrees and sine 0 degrees, it would be equal to 1, 0. Next is 90 degrees. Cos 90 degrees and sine 90 degrees, it would be equal to 0, 1. We now have 2 points. Next would be 180 degrees. This is cos 180 and sine 180 degrees, and it would be equal to negative 1, 0. Next would be 270 degrees, and it would be equal to 0, negative 1. Given these points, you should now be able to determine the other trigo functions. So let's now try to determine the 6 trigo functions of a given quadrantal angle. So let's solve for 630 degrees. 630 degrees is coterminal with 270 degrees, which lies in the negative y-axis. As stated earlier, negative y-axis has a point of 0, negative 1. So it will take 630 degrees, 0, negative 1. Solving for sine theta. Sine 630 degrees is equal to y, which is negative 1. So cosine 630 degrees is equal to x, which is 0. And 630 degrees is equal to negative 1 over 0. So negative 1 over 0 is undefined. Next is cosecant of 630 degrees. This is 1 over negative 1. 1 over negative 1 is equal to 1. So negative 1. So secant of theta, or secant of 630, is 1 over 0. If it's over 0, it is considered as undefined. Next is cotangent of 630 degrees. So x, which is 0, over negative 1 is considered as 0. So that's it. That's how you solve for and determine the six trigonometric functions of a given quadrantal angle. Um, I hope you guys learned a lot, and if you guys have suggestions, just feel free to comment below. And guys, thank you for listening. Again, have a nice day. Bye.